Zaya goes in the middle, and then Daddy and Mommy on the side.
I'm trying not to catch your move, man. You keep
And then Daddy. Where's Daddy going?
He's going right.
So you should put it here. One there and one there.
No. This should go right here. This should
Daddy
go,
goes there, or he goes on
This
top?
should hug you. This one should hug you.
You see what she's doing?
And actually, this one should hug you too.
But you gotta look for a room. 9122. That way? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
This way I need.
I see it.
Where?
I see it. Keep going. I see it. You don't see your back? You don't see your carrier? You don't see your carrier? Ta-da!
So where this bird came from? Do you know? What movie it came from? Because I think that's the theme of our room. I think. I don't know. Do you want to do the honors?
That looks like
Open
the
the
bird.
door.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's a card with your name on there. There is a card with your name on there. That means you have your own card?
Yeah.
Okay. Green. It might be heavy. Let's see.
Once outside your stateroom, exposures will direct you to your assembly station.
Put the card
You'll
on.
also find room members stationed along the way.
Ta-da!
During an actual emergency, the ship's elevators are not operational. So please remember to use the stairs. Specially trained crew members will assist guests who
It's
are
who?
not able to climb
Tiana
stairs.
room.
Once you reach your assembly station, you will be met by crew members who
You gotta
will
leave
check
the
you
yeah.
in
You
and
gotta leave the card in there
additional
so that we can
information and
have the lights.
instructions. Remember, every guest on board is required by international maritime law to receive an emergency briefing.
We got our own party and toilet and pub.
We do?
Yeah.
Let me see.
When you hear this 7 short blasts, followed by one
Look,
loud blast of
that
the
is
ship's
showing
whistle and the alarm
What is she showing us?
ship, remain quietly in place until the end of the briefing. Pay
So you got your toilet.
They will also be planning
But
on
no tub.
No tub? Okay, let's check the other door.
So we got
So
the
if you want to
toilet
try to see
and your little sink with a little bit of storage space, which is pretty cool. And they have the light and the mirror, so it's pretty nice. It's pretty elegant.
And what's this, Pootie?
This might be Daddy's favorite space.
medical attention, you should contact
Ta-da!
medical emergency.
it's a tub here. And a sink.
So the actual shower section, it is more spacious than Wonder of the Seas.
What do you mean?
It's bigger. Wonder of the Seas, the entire shower and toilet was about this
Oh
big.
yeah, that's true.
And so it's
Go
more
in the
spacious.
tub. Let me see if you're gonna fit in the tub.
This one Society comes out.
Zach, come. Leave that
I
there.
mean, I'm gonna fit on the top, Ava.
No.
Elevators.
Of course I will.
Let's see.
This
Saya.
area's favorite to not be.
Let me see how it's Daddy going to fit on the shower.
Let's see.
Should you require
I wanna take my shoes off.
attention outside of operating
Can he
Let me
fit
take this
in
back.
there?
services by dialing 0 from any
We got Tiana room.
request to transfer to the
Yeah, it's perfectly fine.
Your
Plenty
head
of
space.
headspace.
Go in.
I don't want to go in with my shoes. It's the same height.
It's
perfectly fine.
And call the medical center for assistance by dialing 0 for guest service.
Disney Cruise Line soap.
The video of like the soaps and
I want to see how I could fit.
look at the
Have a
towel.
shower.
Have Mickey on it.
There's a shower head.
Because we're going again. So don't
Your sea salt,
Alright, are we going again?
body wash, shampoo.
Assist you.
That's pretty neat.
Also contact guest service.
Makeup remover.
The TV.
body lotions, your towels with Mickey on them.
Look.
Pretty clean, pretty neat.
Look here. I found something.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
It's just envelopes.
Mhm.
Here, put it in there.
Welcome aboard.
But I didn't put anything with the program, nothing in there.
To review some important
And also look what I found.
this afternoon's first is going to see a brief host or hostess about special instructions regarding the usage of infant life jackets.
I just got used to this house.
Zaya, could get
And people are used to
this
house.
program, nothing.
They think I'm
Unless in the case
the
of a real emergency.
Yeah, so it's interesting. They didn't really leave any kind of pamphlets with like the programs, the activities, the restaurant names, deck, a little bit of information. Shamin is happy because at least we got robes.
Your stateroom door and the card that's on the bed in your stateroom will give you
No, she's not, because you know you're barely gonna be in this room.
including primary and secondary routes to your assembly station. Information on how
Usually
to
they
follow
leave you like a
low-level
program or
warning during
something.
an emergency and how
Maybe
to put
everything
on
is
your
on
life
here?
jackets.
It's possible. It's definitely not
It's not
touchscreen.
touchscreen.
Emergency briefing and then restore them back as you found
Why you don't
them.
have touchscreen?
Your stateroom host or hostess is
Like
available
the
to
holder
assist
for
any
mommy to
guests
bring the
who need
bags?
help in
It's something that has to go.
Store decoration time, I guess.
What am I going to do? This one
Careful.
is going to be
Careful.
here. This one is going to be here.
Wait,
This one's going to be
why don't
inside.
you put it here so that they can see your name? Okay, now. Where you want mommy's one to be. Mommy.
I want to be right under.
No, Zaya can go under. Here, put yours under. And big,
Under.
I'll put mommy over here.
No, that will want this
Zaya goes in the middle, and then daddy and mommy on the side.
This one
Try not to get your move and keep it in there.
goes down.
And then daddy. Where's daddy going?
He's going
That's why
right.
you should put it here. One there and one there.
No. This should go right. This should
Daddy
go.
goes there, or he goes on
This
top?
should hug you. This one should hug you.
You see what she doing?
And actually, this one should hug you too.
Okay, let's move because I want to go outside.
I love it.
Here.
No.
Yes, leave it like that because it makes more sense. We can't do no hugging because then they won't see your name. Get locked up. I'm pulling it in. It's supposed to be out.